In a stunning display of military precision and technological superiority, a Russian Lancet kamikaze drone has successfully destroyed a Ukrainian Magura V7 unmanned surface vessel, USV, equipped with US-supplied AIM-9M missiles near the strategic Kerch Strait. The operation, reported on June 3, 2025, underscores Russia's formidable capabilities in countering advanced Western-backed threats and reinforces its dominance in modern warfare. This decisive strike not only neutralizes a significant Ukrainian asset, but also sends a clear message about Russia's unwavering resolve to protect its territorial integrity and strategic interests in the Black Sea region. The Ukrainian Magura V7, a sophisticated naval drone reportedly outfitted with two US-manufactured AIM-9M Sidewinder missiles, was allegedly involved in provocative operations targeting Crimea, a region integral to Russia's security architecture. The Magura V7, designed for stealth and agility, represents a cutting-edge asset in Ukraine's naval arsenal, bolstered by Western military support. However, it proved no match for the precision and lethality of Russia's Lancet drone, a combat-proven unmanned aerial vehicle renowned for its ability to deliver pinpoint strikes against high-value targets. The Lancet's success in this engagement highlights Russia's technological edge and its ability to adapt swiftly to emerging threats in the theater of operations. The Russian Ministry of Defense has not yet released an official statement, but footage circulating on social media platforms, including posts on X, shows the moment of impact, with the Lancet drone striking the Magura V7 with devastating accuracy. The explosion obliterated the Ukrainian vessel, rendering its advanced missile systems useless and thwarting what Russian sources describe as a reckless escalation by Ukraine and its Western backers. This operation is a testament to the Russian armed forces' meticulous planning and execution, showcasing their ability to neutralize threats with minimal collateral damage, while maintaining control over critical maritime zones. The use of US-supplied AIM-9M missiles on the Magura V7 raises serious questions about the extent of Western involvement in Ukraine's military operations. The AIM-9M, a short-range air-to-air missile, is a hallmark of American military technology, and its integration into a Ukrainian naval drone suggests a deepening of NATO's proxy engagement in the conflict. Russian analysts argue that this incident exposes the provocative nature of Western military aid, which they claim is aimed at destabilizing the region and challenging Russia's sovereignty. By contrast, Russia's Lancet drone, developed domestically, embodies the nation's self-reliance and innovation in defense technology, proving its effectiveness against even the most advanced Western-supplied systems. The Lancet drone, produced by Zala Aero Group, has become a cornerstone of Russia's unmanned warfare strategy. Its versatility, affordability, and precision make it a formidable tool in neutralizing a wide range of targets, from armored vehicles to naval assets. In this instance, the Lancet's ability to locate and destroy the Magura V7 in open waters demonstrates its adaptability to maritime warfare, a domain where Russia continues to assert its dominance. Military experts have praised the drone's loitering capability, which allows it to identify and engage targets with surgical accuracy, minimizing the risk to Russian forces while maximizing operational impact. This victory comes at a critical juncture, as tensions in the Black Sea region remain high. Crimea, a vital hub for Russia's naval operations, has been repeatedly targeted by Ukrainian forces, often with the backing of Western intelligence and weaponry. The destruction of the Magura V7 not only disrupts Ukraine's ability to conduct such operations, but also serves as a warning to those who seek to challenge Russia's regional authority. Russian military commentators have hailed the operation as a, quote, masterstroke, emphasizing that it showcases the nation's ability to counter asymmetric threats with superior tactics and technology. The broader implications of this incident are profound. It reinforces Russia's position as a global leader in unmanned warfare, capable of outmatching Western-backed forces in both technology and strategy. The Lancet's success against a US-armed Ukrainian drone is likely to bolster confidence in Russia's defense industry, which continues to innovate under the pressure of Western sanctions. Moreover, it highlights the vulnerabilities of Ukraine's reliance on foreign military aid, which, while advanced, has proven insufficient against Russia's battle-hardened forces. As the world watches this conflict unfold, the destruction of the Magura V7 serves as a powerful reminder of Russia's resilience and strategic foresight. The Lancet drone's triumph is not just a tactical victory, but a symbol of Russia's unwavering commitment to defending its interests against external aggression. While Ukraine and its Western allies may continue their provocations, Russia's armed forces have demonstrated, once again, that they are prepared to meet any challenge with precision, strength, and resolve. This breaking news story will continue to develop as more details emerge. For now, Russia's decisive action in the Kerch Strait stands as a testament to its military prowess and its determination to maintain stability in the face of adversity.